Okay, here's my issue. I am wiring this remote control to ceiling fan. Now the input, white and black, that's straight up, ain't no problem there. But on the outputs, lay it down here, I have this neutral output. That's cool. I have this mess. I have this light output. That's straightforward. And then I have this output to the fan. You would think that was pretty straightforward, but inside my fan control is this switch with 4 wires and this module that I'm sure controls the speed of the fan. And I've never put a remote in before, so I don't know if I leave this switch and this module in it, or if there's some specific way I remove the switch and just replace the switch with the remote, and if so, how? I got 4 wires here. You know, I'm pretty smart. I've done a lot of electrical work. I have a degree in electronics engineering that's about a couple of decades old, but nevertheless, I really don't want to screw this up. So if there is anybody out there, I have looked online on YouTube and I pulled up video after video after video, and it's never anything that looks like this. So this is a Westinghouse ceiling fan. It's really a nice one. It's 76 centimeters. You know, it's not real big, but it's big enough for what we need. I just want to get the remote to where the remote works, and we don't have to go pulling cables and one of the grandkids jump up and hit the thing and the string and it goes flying up into the ceiling fans, which they don't do that anymore, but you never know what the kind of accident's going to happen with a broom or a mop or some kind of silly stuff like that. I mean, as far as mounting it and putting it up there, that's no big deal. I just need some direction. Dear Lord, somebody, please, some kind of wiring information. I don't need anybody to do it for me. I just need somebody that's smarter than I am that tells me probably something really straightforward, but I don't want to speculate. The directions that's came with this remote is ridiculous. It just shows you like everything else. Just put this into the power, hook this up to the fan. They don't show any switches. They don't show the module. Nothing. So it's ridiculous. Somebody out there smarter than me, please send me a diagram or a video that knows how to do that, and I will be eternally grateful to you. Thank you very much. Appreciate your help. Please help. Thanks.